Hi, welcome back to Login Helps. Today I'm going to show you the process of how to download Bigo Live on your mobile device. To do so, all you need to do is find a smartphone and internet connection. Bigo Live is live streaming media that provides a unique and interesting platform to users who can share their life moment and activities with their loved ones and followers in general. To download it on your smartphone, go visit your Play Store. Search for Bigo Live by typing it on the search box, and after it is found, tap it on and tap on the install button to download. Wait for the download to finish, and after it is done, it will be installed on your device as well. After it is done with the installing process, simply tap it open and get started. That is all you need to do in order to get it on your mobile device. I hope this tutorial helped you. If yes, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button for more updates from us. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I'll be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.